Alright, Ellie, you ready to go do some farm jobs?
Ellie has never been much of a farm dog. She grew up in the city, living by the beach in an apartment, so very different to what she does now, but she has finally found her job on the farm. Got to get the big girl over the fence. Ellie's been such an angel livestock guardian. Just so gentle with the chickens. She moves really slowly and not causing them to flinch or do anything. They call staffies nanny dogs, for looking after kids. And I think the nannies came out in Ellie with all these baby girls around. The only thing that she does like doing that's maybe a bit much is she likes eating all the chicken poo. Folding around eating all the poo. Just a little dirty bitch.